Hi everybody, it's Crystal. I hope everybody's doing well and staying safe. Thank you for joining me. I apologize if I'm in the same shirt as my last video. I do record multiple videos in one day, and I do change my shirt every day. I don't know why. I just, in case you think that I'm gross or something, I never change my clothes. I do. Sometimes I record more than one video. All right. So anyways, I have an unboxing. Okay, so I have mystery boxes that I've never gotten before. So big shout out to my YouTube friend here who sent me an email and told me about Love Crafts. Of course, I've bought from Love Crafts before, but they had mystery bags. I've never seen them have mystery bags before, not available to the US. I've seen them available in the UK, but never the US. So I got them here, and I'm super excited to see what's in them. Let's just get right down to it. Want to? Oh. Okay, well, I wonder, let me look at it before I look at the yarn. I don't remember much about them. Okay, so this is what it was. They had two different gift bags. And Love Crafts, I'll put a link, lovecrafts.com, I'll put a link below. They had chunky and super chunky mystery bags. And they each contained 10 balls. It was chunky, super chunky, one bag. And then they have an Aran DK Sport, one bag. So all three of those could be in one bag. And the other bag was chunky and super chunky was the other bag. So two bags. And each one contained 10 balls of yarn. So I bought two of each of the mystery bags so we could see if they're the same, or if the yarns are the same, or if they're different. And I hope they're separated. I think they are, by organza bags. Let's look and see. I'm so super stoked. Oh wow. Yep, they're separated. I see cashmerino in there. Okay. I'll put a link below. Now, I'm not affiliated with this company at all or anything. I bought this myself. But if you go to their website and type in yarn grab bags, they'll pop up. All right. So here's one. Like I said, I bought two of each so I could see if they were going to be the same or not. You know, if you buy more than one, if you're going to get the same thing. So this one looks like the 10 ball DK Aran Sport yarn mystery bag with project bag. Okay, so it comes in the organza bag, and they have 10 balls of yarn in it. Well, here's the project bag. Oh, that's nice. That's heavy canvas. That's nice. That's a nice bag. Heavy canvas bag. I'd hold like 50 pounds of hooks up in there. That's cute. Look at that. That's nice. So you got that. And then let's look and see at the 10 balls of yarn. I keep these organza bags. They come in handy. Okay, so we got Millamia, Sweden. I never had this. Smells good. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. Feels good. So that's what that is. That's what that one is. Naturally soft merino 100% virgin wool, 125 meters or 136 yards or 50 grams. That's gorgeous. It says you can machine wash but lay flat. It's so squishy. So I got two of these. It looks like it's about a DK weight, so it's a 3 weight. So I got two of those in this blue. Very pretty. And then I got these gray ones here. It's called Willow and Lark Ramble. A really splendid superwash wool, and more wool. 125 meters or 136 yards. It's 100% wool. But that's not scratchy at all. That's soft wool. That's soft wool. Look, it matches my hat. Almost to a T. Almost. Oh, that's nice. It's a DK as well. So it's a number 3 weight. It's a little thicker than that one. But that's nice. Yeah, that's not itchy at all. This one isn't itchy either. But it's super wash, so it's not. Neither one of them are. Oh, that's nice. Oh, this is super wash shoe. I don't even know what I'm thinking. Oh, that's not. That's why it's not itchy. That's nice. Nice. Oh, wow, that's pretty. Okay, look at this. Debbie Bliss. So I seen this on their site. Cashmerino Aran. Isn't that beautiful? It's like a really dark hunter green color. Extra fine merino wool and cashmere. 55 wool, 33 acrylic, and 12% cashmere. 50 grams, 90 meters or 98 yards. And this is it's an Aran weight, so it's a 4-weight yarn. That is beautiful and it's soft. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those. At, what was it, 98 yards, so almost 100 yards. That would make a beautiful hat and scarf set. And it would that be ever soft? Yes, ever so soft. That's a really pretty green. Oh, that's beautiful. Wow. And then I got a hank here. Let's see what, ooh, that's nice. Debbie Bliss Falkland Aran. Extra fine Falkland merino wool. Nice. Wow. This is 180 meters or 100 grams, so about 200 yards of a 4-weight, and I love the color. I love pumpkin. It's one of my favorite colors. Gorgeous. That's to be a hat making material for me, more than likely. Yes. So that was one of the, let's see, DK Aran Sport Yarn Mystery Bag. You know what? They might have classified this as a sport weight, this blue one. You guys can check it out. I don't know. I said it was probably a DK, but whatever you guys think there. So that was the 10 balls on that. I got the 2 blue, the 2 gray, which I love that beautiful, beautiful gray. The 5 cashmerino and that dark, dark green. That's beautiful. And the pumpkin hank. Nice. And the nice craft bag. So that was one. Let's see if the next one's the same. This is another one of the DK Aran weight ones, and it does appear to be the same, so I won't take it out. So I bought 2 of the Aran DK weight ones, and they were the same, so I got double, which is nice because now I have like 1,000 yards of this cashmerino. I can do a lot more with 1,000 than I can with 500. How exciting! It's a fly in my room. I'm sorry. And I got another one of these pumpkin ones. That is so beautiful. What did I say it was? 200 yards? Ooh, that's pretty. Now with 400 yards of this 4-weight, I can make a hat and a scarf. Pretty close. Yeah. I don't have to make real long scarves because I'm pretty short. I'm barely 5'3", so I always so my scarves don't have to be extremely long if I wear them. Nice. So both bags were the same for those. In just a minute, I'll tell you how much they were. I don't quite remember, but I'll have to look. Let's look at their super bulky, or their, okay, now I got 2 more grabs. These are nice. These are nice. But I just don't remember the price. It doesn't show it on the, they got here quick. I just forgot. I got short-term memory. Okay. Then they had another one, which was chunky or super chunky mystery bag with project bag. 10 balls in each. So let's look at them and see if they are the same. So it looks like it's the same. What is this stuff? Let me move my cashmerino out of the way. Those were nice. So you get the same project bag in it as you did the Aran and DK weight one. Okay, I got a bunch of this stuff. Let's see what this is. This is called Debbie Bliss Paloma. Okay. It is 60 alpaca, or 40, yeah, 60 alpaca. It's really nice. And 40 wool. It's very, very soft. Smells clean. 65 meters or 71 yards, made in Peru, hand wash, lay flat. So it's an alpaca wool blend, and it is like a 6-weight. And it's chain spun. That is super cool. I really, really think that's neat. So I got 2 of these yellow ones in one bag. The color's lime. What's the yardage? 71 yards. So, and it's being a super bulky. That's beautiful. Gosh, is that ever soft? It's that alpaca. Look at these navies. I got 2 navy blues of it. I love navy blue. It's my favorite. Of all the blues, navy is my favorite. That is gorgeous. And then I got 3 of it in this coral color, which I think myself, just me, works well with the navy. So you could put them all together in one project. Wouldn't that be an interesting scarf? It is so soft. That's something that you would want around your neck. That's nice. So I got 3 of the coral, 2 of the blue, and 2 of the lime of this Paloma. Paloma, I guess that's how you say it. Nice. And then I got so that was 1, 2, 3, 7 hanks, and I got 3 more over here. This is called Valley Yarns Taconic, made in Italy. It's 125 yards, 1.75 ounces. What are you made of? What are you made of? Oh, 70% merino and 30% cashmere. So this is like a bulky, I guess they're considering this a bulky 5-weight. I kind of consider it more of a 4 myself, but it was in the bulky 5-weight bag. So whatever, you know, it's still beautiful. That is beautiful yarn. I love that gray with the flecks of little colors in it, but the flecks are not like super bright. They're very blended in, you know, so, you know, they're not like, I love flecked yarn a lot, even when they're bright, but these are very subtle. It's like tweed and flecked at the same time. That is gorgeous. So I got 3 of those. What was the yardage on that? Merino cashmere blend. Nice. That's nice. Wow, these are nice bags. 125 yards. So I got 375 yards of that. I got another bag of the super bulky to see if it's the same. It's not. It's different. It's weird. It's got a lightweight yarn in it. Okay. Well, it's got some of the same in it, but I see something different. It's got a nice bag in it. And then we got another blue, 2 more blues, just like that one. So it's nice to have more of the same. Only 2 of these this time. Last time I got 3. And then 2 more of these gray ones here, the merino cashmere blend. 2 more of those, so that gives me a total of 5 of those. So that's nice. I like these. That's like over 600 yards. Yep. Nice. Oh my gosh. I got 2 more cashmerino Aran weights in the green. So that gives me a total of, what is it now? 3, 4, 5, 6. 10 of them? Is that right? No. Yeah, 10 of them. I don't know how many it was. A lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 of them. 12 of them. Yes. Now I can make something even bigger. Wow. That's so awesome. I like that. And then I got 1 more of these blues. So in that second supposed to be super bulky and bulky, I actually got an Aran weight, 2 Aran weights, and a DK weight, which is fine because that just gives me more of the same. Those are nice mystery bags. I think this yarn is super cool. I love chain spun. It's my second favorite next to roving. It's so light and it's so airy, and it being alpaca, this would make a nice fall wrap as well too. It would be super lightweight on you. I don't know, do you think all these colors work well together? You can let me know your thoughts in the comments. Okay, those mystery bags were really nice. I personally liked everything that I got. There is, you know, this might not be for everybody because it's super bulky and it's chain spun, but I'm telling you, it's so soft and it's so cool looking. It's not like a ribbon yarn or anything. Once you use it, I think it's going to go down to like probably a thicker 5-weight because chain spun kind of stretches out, but that is so nice. I really like it. I like everything. Oh wow, those were nice. My favorite though, oh gosh, it's hard to pick. I really like this Cashmerino Aran Debbie Bliss in that dark green, and it's so cool that out of all 4 bags I got 12 balls of it. So now I have enough to make something nice out of it. And I love this one too. This Merino Cashmere Blend, the gray. I have 5 balls of that. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. That would probably be a hat and a scarf, I would imagine. And I think this gray is very beautiful. I love it all. Oh, and the pumpkins. Gosh, the Hanks of Pumpkin. So Bagoday. Very, very beautiful. Let me see how much these cost. Okay, I went and looked and see how much they were. They still have them at the making of the video, which is $7.22 or 23. I'm not certain, but anyways, there's $65 a piece, or actually that's how much they are. They're on sale, and it says they're worth 100 and double that, so they were 50% of what the retail value is. I like them a lot. I mean, personally, I would use every single yarn here because it's all very, very appealing to me. Now, some of this yarn, I don't even know if this is what you'll get in your mystery bag. But these are super awesome mystery bags for me. If I got 10 of these mystery bags, all the same, just like this, I would be super stoked. But remember, they're mystery bags, so I don't know if you'll get what I got. But I absolutely love every single thing I got. There's not one thing here that I would not use. I probably won't use this, even though it's super beautiful, because it's a little on the thin side. But I still think it's gorgeous. But I love it all. I mean, I absolutely do. And even though this kind of, you might think it looks weird, it's actually super soft. And it's the chain spun aspect of it. It's so cool. I don't know, though, what I'll make with it. It's going to take a special project. You know, I think it'll make a really cool scarf. That might be what I'll do with it. I think it's neat, though. And these Cashmerinos, both of them, to die for. And the pumpkin, oh my gosh, I love it all. I love it all. I'm not gonna buy anymore because it is kind of, I mean, $65 is, it's worth every penny if you ask me. But I'm not gonna buy anymore because I just bought them to show you. But yes, I would definitely buy them again if I, you know, maybe if they still have them in a couple weeks to see if I get something different. Maybe, just maybe. We'll see. Thanks everybody for watching. What a great time. Oh, I love yarn so much. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video, okay? Take care. Bye, guys.